Good morning, class. So yesterday we have discussed about adjectives and in kinds. So today let us revise the exercise. Okay. So take out everyone page number 35. Sharp your pencil everyone. Now yesterday I discussed adjective. First of all, what is adjective? Let us revise few points of it. See, adjectives are the describing words. What is adjective? Describing words. Whatever, for example, if I ask, let me ask which color shirt you have wear. Then if you say that I have wore green color shirt. Now what is green? Green is adjective. You are describing the shirt. Color. So I explain you also the kinds of adjectives. In kinds of adjectives, first I told quality. Now adjective of quality like pink, yellow, honest, okay, old, fat, happy, all this will come in quality. You are describing how it is. इसके अंदर क्वेश्चन क्या आता है बेटा? How. Next is adjective of quantity. In adjective of quantity, see, first of all, adjective of quality is whatever you feel. जो आप feel करते हो, है ना, जो किसी चीज को डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए whatever you feel, that is adjective of quality. नेक्स्ट इज एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वांटिटी, द अनकाउंटेबल थिंग्स, जो आपकी अनकाउंटेबल रहती है, विच यू कैन नॉट काउंट, उसे आप कैसे मेजर करते हो, उसका मेजरमेंट क्या है बेटा? लाइक सम फूड, एनफ फूड, सफिशिएंट वाटर, ओके. सो ऑल दिस विल कम. नेक्स्ट इज एडजेक्टिव ऑफ नंबर. Now what is adjective of number? The things which you can count, how you denote, how you measure that things, that is adjective of number. For example, if I say I have two best friends. Now friends are noun and how many are they? Two. So in this question is how many, and in the adjective of quantity the question is how much. Next is demonstrative. Demonstrative means how, when you point the things out, how you point the things better. Like this is the apple, that is the mango, okay, this and that you are using, okay. So how you point the things which is near to you or which is far to you, जो आप देख के किसी चीज़ को बाय फिंगर से या वैसे बाय जस्ट बाय लुकिंग पॉइंट आउट करते हैं, ओके. And this is used for one, and when in the plural more than one is there, then this will change into these. The same way that is used for one, and when more than one is there, so that will change into those. Clear everyone? So in this, next is your adjective of interrogative. Interrogative, whatever the question you ask, all the questions from WH family will come in interrogative. All you can say the WH family comes in interrogative, okay. What, whom, whose, when, where, all these questions will come in interrogative. These are 7 types of questions. See, when, where, what, whom, whose, whom, okay. So all these 7 types of questions comes in this which. Next is possessive. Possessive, how you denote your things, that is yours. For example, my bottle, or you can say her bottle, his bottle, okay, our pen, our home. So now take out your exercise 1. See, first of all, learn these things that we will change into ours. We, that means more than one is there, जहाँ पे आपने अपने आप को भी इंक्लूड कर रखा है, ओके. You is second person whom you are talking about. You will change into yours. He will change into his. She will change into her. They, when more than one is there, whether they are girls, boys, joint, or more than one thing are there, okay. So they will change into theirs. It will change into its. I will change into my. Now fill in the blanks with possessive adjectives. The trees are losing. The trees, more than one is there. Okay. So when more than one is there, what we use beta? They. So they will change into their. The trees are losing their leaves. Now the tree. How many trees is there? One. So for the one tree thing, what we are using? It. So it will change into its. The tree is losing its leaves. The wife is walking with. Now see, for the girl what we use? She. Wife is the girl. We use she, and she will change into her. Her husband. Now the husband. Husband is a boy. For the boy what we use? He. And he will change into his. So the husband is walking with his wife. Next is, where are dash books children? Now somebody is asking you. So when we are talking with someone, how we denote that person? By you. You से denote करते हैं, okay? And you will change into yours. So there are yours books children. Now the teacher told me. Told me, that means the teacher is talking to me. So in place of your name, what you are using? I. And I will change into my. So take my bag and leave the class. Now next is, I am Sushil. Now again, I. You are using in place of your name. So I will change into my. So my father works in an ice cream factory. Roma goes to the market with dash. Now Roma is a girl. For the girl, what we use beta? She. And she will change into her. So her mother. So Roma goes to the market with her mother. Is the possessive clear to use in place of your name, or how you point out the things that they are theirs? So the words used, they are called possessives. So again I am repeating, we will change into ours, you will change into yours, he will change into his, she will change into her, they will change into theirs, I will change into my, and it will change into its. Okay? Now take out your exercise 2, everyone. Circle the adjectives in the following sentences and say what kind of adjective each one is. Also state the noun it belongs to. See, we have to tell the noun, and another thing is we have to tell the kind. Adjective kind. So I want these apples. First tell me what is the noun? Apple. So write there, and in the noun you write apples. And what we have used for adjective? These. So what is these? These is demonstrative. So write there demonstrative. Do it fast, beta. Here you underline your these and write here these demonstrative, and in the noun you write apple. Now see your next exercise. I have some money, and I told you beta, when for the rupees if you talk, then rupees are countable, but money, they are uncountable. They will come in adjective of quantity, and rupees will come in adjective of number. Okay, so I have some money. So first of all, what is noun? Money. So write there money. Now next is your sum. Sum is used for adjective of quantity. Okay, because money is uncountable. So write there adjective of quantity. Return. Write like this everyone, sum. Then in adjective write quantity, and in the noun you write money. Now look at that bird. So what is the noun in this? Bird. So write in the noun bird. How you are pointing that bird? By that. So underline your that. Write in the adjective that and write there demonstrative, because we are pointing the things. Kalidasa wrote many plays. See, in this Kalidasa is noun, but adjective is used for plays कि उसने बहुत सारे के लिखे हैं. Okay, so plays is the noun, so write in the noun plays. रीज़न यही है, कालिदासा भी नाउन है, लेकिन व्हाट्स द प्रॉब्लम कि हम किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं? एडजेक्टिव किसके लिए यूज हुआ है? प्लेस के बारे में. सो डेट्स वाई नाउन में प्लेस लिखेंगे और मैनी लिखेंगे. देखो बेटा, जैसे आपकी मूवीज़ है जो काउंट कर सकती है, वैसे ही आपकी प्लेस भी हैं वो काउंट कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो राइट देयर मैनी एंड राइट देयर नंबर. Now next is always drink pure water. Now of what we are talking about beta? Water. So water you write in this noun. And how is the water? Pure, that is adjective of quality. So write there pure and write there quality. Now next see your exercise 3. Choose the appropriate opposite words given in the box and rewrite the phrases. Now let us see. We have to write just opposite of this. Okay. So a dull day. Opposite of dull is bright. So write everyone bright day, or you can write also a bright day. That is also correct. That's upon to you. Either you can use A, or if you don't use, that's also okay. Okay. Now a stormy sea. See, stormy in this means that's a violent it is. Okay. So opposite of it is calm, peaceful. So write there a calm sea. And first, that's your choice. You need to write or not write. In the second, but you write a. Now next is a sharp knife. See, opposite of sharp is blunt. Okay. So write there a blunt knife. So a blunt knife. So next is a stale bread. Stale, that means that is the bread is gone wrong and it's kept for many hours or many days. So opposite of it is fresh. So a fresh bread. Now curved. Curved opposite is straight. So write there a straight line. Written. So now is happy mouse. So write there a miserable mouse. Now next is rough coat. Opposite of it is a smooth coat. Now next is poor person. Opposite of it is a wealthy person. Now next is first is wise. Wise opposite is foolish. The same way opposite of shallow is deep. Done. So I am showing you. If anyone is not done, I am holding for a minute. Please do, everyone. रिकॉर्ड भी हो गया बस. So, done everyone? This also done? If anyone is not done, I am holding for a minute. Do it fast. So all of you now learn this complete chapter. Okay. So I will take further test. Okay.